1 large cups of water in the pot. Like this. You see that, guys? Lovely. Got a nice piece of fresh ginger we're gonna be using. We're just going to grate your ginger. Right here, this is the cloves. We're just gonna put a few inside of the water. Okay? Few. Hold on first. Let's put a few inside of it. Alright? Yeah. Few. Don't put too much like what Chef Ricardo do. Let's put few inside of it. Okay. This is a large cup, not a medium-sized cup. Alright, guys? So you just put few inside of it, not too. Turn off the cooker. So we're gonna leave that for it to steam.